If you're a content creator, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable email subscription service. Your readers' inboxes are where your content lands, and you want to make sure it's delivered smoothly. But what happens when your service of choice starts to fail you? Feedburner, once a popular choice, has left many users frustrated. One of the biggest complaints is the lack of support. Users have reported difficulty getting help when they need it, which can be a major headache. Imagine your email subscription service breaking down, and you're left wondering how to fix it. The features just aren't reliable either. Many have experienced issues with delivery, and that's a problem you can't afford when you're trying to build a loyal readership. Your subscribers expect to receive your content on time, and if Feedburner's unreliable features let them down, they'll quickly lose trust. Another issue is the lack of customization. Feedburner doesn't offer much flexibility in terms of designing your emails or managing your subscribers. This can make it hard to create a cohesive brand experience for your readers. You want to make sure your emails reflect your brand, and with Feedburner's limitations, that's just not possible. All these issues make it clear that we need better alternatives. So, what can you use instead? Follow.it is an excellent option that's gaining popularity. One of its standout features is its user-friendly interface. It's easy to set up and manage your email subscriptions, even if you're not tech-savvy. You can quickly create a custom sign-up form, manage your subscribers, and track your performance. Follow.it also offers reliable delivery, which means your subscribers will receive your content on time. Plus, it provides detailed analytics, so you can see how your content is performing and make data-driven decisions. With Follow.it, you can create a seamless experience for your readers. The best part? Follow.it is free, making it an attractive option for creators on a budget. You get all these features without spending a dime. Follow.it's features and benefits speak for themselves. By switching to Follow.it, you can improve your email subscription experience and focus on what matters most, creating great content. To recap, Feedburner's limitations can hinder your content's reach, but Follow.it offers a reliable, user-friendly, and feature-rich alternative. By switching to Follow.it, you'll get a better experience for you and your subscribers. If you've had any experiences with Feedburner or Follow.it, I'd love to hear about them. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on digital tools and check out my other videos for more tips and recommendations. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you liked this content, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.